Everybody, thank God it's Friday. Another Al-811h. Website is amprepairguy.com. Phone number 203-892-4119. So I already started diagnosing this amplifier. I'm going to show you how I recommend having the anode caps taped up underneath the board. This customer followed my directions perfectly. Usually have them take about a 5.5 inch or so long piece of electrical tape, break it off the roll prior, break off 2 pieces, and put the caps up underneath. So the opening of the cap is facing up. So this stops them from swinging around, which can damage the plate choke and also fray the wiring. So very good, good job. So customer said he heard a sizzling noise and it was popping fuses, so a couple of these resistors are way out of tolerance, and at least one of the filter caps failed, so I'm going to replace all the filter caps, replace all the resistors. I'm going to check the SO239 connectors. I'm going to take this whole assembly out. I'll ground the grids, add the gas discharge tubes, remove the metal oxide varistor on the board, and this one doesn't have the gas discharge tube on the board, but I will add them underneath and do everything else I do. So, and also do the, it's like the 10 meter mod hasn't been done, so I'll do that too. So, stay tuned, and I will see you guys soon. And this is also getting a brand new set of Pentalab tubes, 572B tubes. Awesome company, awesome customer service. So, I will be back soon. Stay tuned. Okay, so someone had added a couple gas discharge tubes. They're the wrong ones. The voltage rating was lower than it should have been. So, grounded all the grids directly to the metal with 632 screws and kept nuts. Compressed the socket clips and cleaned them with deoxit gold. And added a gas discharge tube across each side of the parallel filaments. So, it's all set. Also touched up on solder joints. So I'm going to get back to work, and I'll see you guys soon. Back with the completed Ameritron Al-811h. Here are the old capacitors, the old resistors, the old SO239 connectors, one of the gas discharge tubes. The other one is right over here. So here's the screw. Someone put a goop like on the screw up through the plate choke. So anyway, so I had the whole assembly out, grounded the grids, added the gas discharge tubes, did the 10 meter modification, changed the SO239 connectors, tightened up on a lot of hardware that was loose. As you can see, new resistors, new capacitors, new fuses, 12 amp bass blow. Got a brand new set of Pentalab tubes. Awesome company, awesome customer service. Cleaned the rotary switches with deoxit gold. This thing is good to go. MOVs were already taken out, so didn't have to do that. So if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call, 203-892-4119. That's 203-892-4119, and my website is amprepairguy.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. 73.